this is Bizme and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some more Slime Rancher. I've done a little bit off camera because there's a lot of shit that has to be done in this game. Like, I have a bit of an overpopulation problem, to say the least. As you can see up there, I tried to dispose of them and now they're up there, so that's fun. Let's see, can I shoot the little fuckers over there? I want to grow some hens. But what happens is the slimes are like, ooh, I want some of that. No, don't you get in there. Eat fucking... Can I make an incinerator? You know what? Oh my god, you can actually kill them. Okay, I'm gonna use one chicken as bait, so that I can get all those fuckers off the goddamn ceiling. Come on. I know you want it. Okay, well. Doing good so far. Oh my god. I heard one land. Where'd it go? Oh god, fuck off. Yeah, you almost got it. That's kind of disturbing if you ask me. Are they all chill now? They're not going to eat my chicken? I'm picking them up anyway. Because if I want more of the money, I need more fucking shit to feed them. But they don't like doing that, so, you know, I'm kind of fucking out of luck. Oh, hello. I saw a gold. Oh, no! Oh. Can I pick you up? A chickadoo. See, there's always chickens down here, or not. Here, let me go put these chickadoos away. Or actually, let me try and find a lot more of them. So I know I can find more. This game is really, it takes a lot of grinding. Ooh, what's down there? Hey, big guy. What do you want? Diet everything. Okay, what do you do? You happy now? What do you do? Can't take the mushrooms. Do I just keep feeding him? Oh my. Oh. Oh, I got a key. I think I know where that goes. What do I do with it? Oh. Money, yay. What, a chicken? Oh no. A stony hen. Okay. No, don't go in the water. Okay. You come with me. Oh my god. What are you? A rooster. Okay, well. Okay, goodbye to the babies. I know where to bring that key, though. Let's see. Pretty sure, at least. Oh my god, there's so many here. Can I sell the chickens for money? They're so cute. Why do you feed them to the slimes? That's so sad. Let's see. I'm starting to get lost, really. Let's see. Can I put these down and not have them get eaten? Please. I'm gonna put down one chicken. Actually, no, I need to put down the rest of you. Oh god, I fucking see you. Fuck off and die, please. Why did I shoot them all up there? Oh my god! Stop! Jesus Christ! Can I get rid of this? Higher wall. Wait, okay, wait. Spring. Yeah, give me higher walls. That, like, barely helped. Actually, let's see. Can they jump from there? I'm gonna take 2 of the chicken. Just so that, in case anything happens. I have no money now. I was trying to save up for a new fucking area, but I can't because I can't feed these animals. Jesus Christ. Oh boy, more mail. Yay. Can I make the walls even higher? No, I can't. The fuck? I don't even know what these are. Oh, these guys produce eggs? Okay. Oh, where are you? You know what? You're going in the incinerator. Or not. No, get back down here. Holy shit. They can get in there. What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, I forgot what I was. Oh no, I remembered exactly what I was doing. Oh god. Can I put you guys somewhere where you won't, like, die? You know what? Like, right here. Right here is perfect. Stay right there. Okay? Don't fucking move. Or else they're gonna eat you. Let me see. Wait, can I get upgrades for these? High walls, music box, auto feeder. Ooh. Plort collector. That would be nice. Solar shield. Oh. Airnet. Okay. Okay, well. I'm pretty sure I know where this key goes. I hope at least. Because I found a little place that was like, oh, don't go here. And it was like, oh, you need a slime key. So I was like, oh, okay, I'll go get a fucking slime key then. This is not where I wanted to be. Okay, let me get up here. I wish there was an easier way to get money. Let's see, I think it's this cave over here. Yeah, this looks to be about it. I know, because these little fuckers spawn. Let's see. Ooh! Ooh, pretty. What do I get? Indigo quarry. What's here? Okay, oh my. Ooh, what are you? Oh god, save the chickens. Actually, no, I'm curious. Oh god, you're big now. What are you? Boom. Oh no. Save the chicken. Get one of you. Oh god, I'm trapped. That's what was it, a tar slime? They're doing the bad things. Oh god, they're literally just eating everything. Ooh, more chickens, great. How the fuck do I get out of here? Oh guys. Everyone's so upset. Oh, big fucker over there. What's in here? What the hell? Well, what does your diet consist of, big guy? Veggies, okay, I'll go, you know, wait. Okay, he doesn't want to eat them. What the fuck? What, do you eat one of the chickens? Nope. You just are fucking useless, okay. How do I get up there? What's this? Oh my god, this area is huge. I got boom slime. I don't know what boom slimes do, but he doesn't look too happy about it. Let's see, get some of the boom slimes. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Oh god, get the chicken! No! So I unlocked a new area, basically? Stop! Ooh, water. Never seen water before. Oh, that's where the bridge ends. I don't want to lose all my shit, so... Let's go this way. Ooh boy. Oh my god, I can suck the water. Can I now? Well, let's see what these boom slimes do. And if I can feed them with fruit. How do I feed you? Does it mean like he doesn't eat veggies? Because I shot a chicken at him and he didn't do anything. I don't know how these fucking... This game is weird. Hello there, big guy. Oh, did the tar slimes fuck off and die finally? What are you? Oh, okay, you're just... Oh, God. Where the fuck do I go? Treasure pod is locked. Oh, boy. That's great. Ow. Oh, here's where I go. Or not, yes. This is where I go. Okay. I just want to get back home. I wonder what the stony hens do. Ooh. Guess you guys don't spawn anymore? Okay. Getting a little late. Ow. Why do you do this to me? Just really hope the slimes don't try to eat my fucking chickens, I swear to God. They're fucking hungry bastards. Can I sell the eggs for money? Question mark. Oh good, there's only like a lot left on there. Okay. Hold on. What's your diet? Only meat, okay. I want to see how much one of those lava thingies costs. So here, I'm gonna sacrifice a chicken. Okay, magma guy. Because it would be good to have chickens then. 46? Oh, thank you. Or they're just gonna keep blowing up, okay. You guys are cool. Okay, I'm gonna leave you. Okay, no, I can't sacrifice my stony chicken. I'm gonna put 2 regular hens in here. And I'm gonna go to bed. And I swear to God, if they're not. Oh, you! No, I saw what you were trying to do. Oh, and I see that guy up there too. Bitch, get down here. Oh, he's gonna fucking do it. Oh, he's doing it. Bitch, you tried. Okay, I think, what the fuck? How'd you get out? Ow, my God. Okay, these guys are volatile. I need to get them inside. Okay, well then that's fun. They're the tabby cats. These guys eat only veggies. What? I don't even want to read all these fucking things. Oh wait. Club reward. Roasto. No, I'm not gonna fucking purchase that. I barely have enough money. Wow, I slept for 3 hours. That's great. Let's see. Are my chickens dead? Nope. Can I finally put them down? I'm gonna keep 2 heads just in case. You guys are my best friend. This place needs high walls. Let's see, how high are they now? That's pretty high. Okay, I think these guys can be in here now. I'm not gonna fucking launch each other into the stratosphere, hopefully. I have no money now, I'm sad. Yeah, you fucking go fuck off. Okay, well, I think that's all I really have for today. I need to fucking figure this shit out, so I'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye.